Are you ready to talk? Are you ready to talk? Where is my money? Eh? Where did you give my money on them?
Mama, I swear, I did not see the money.
He said you swear?
I did not see. He talk more of taking the money.
You swear? So you were the God to swear? Eh? Who else will steal my money from you?
Okay.
My children, they don't steal. Have you ever seen my children or heard that my children stole something? Have you ever heard it? Where is my money? Where is my money?
Mama, I did not take the money. You can ask Nneka. I did not take the money.
I can ask Nneka. Now, you can pay while you take it out.
Mama.
I should ask Nneka.
Break her legs now.
Eh?
Mama, you and me are workers in the break her legs so that she will say the truth. Mama, remember Ijeoma's traditional wedding? It's at the corner. And I need to fix my nails now, my lashes, even my hair. Mama, I need to steal this show. I need the money after like this. I want to please now. Take the money.
Give my money before you take it out. You don't want to tell the truth, okay? No problem. You will stay here. You will stay here until you provide my money for me. No food for you. No water. Nothing. Akwagi, I will teach you a lesson that you will never forget in a hurry. Here. No food for you.
Yeah? Goma. If you know where you hid this money, can't bring it out. Eh? This girl wedding is around the corner now. Ijeoma's traditional wedding is around the corner. I need to fix my nails now. Check my lashes. I need to change it. Even my hair. I need to steal this show now. Now. What is this now? Bring her this money. Bring her this money. I don't know why she's here. If it's me, I will break your leg. Nakwa. Bring her this money. Said we shouldn't give you any food in this house unless you provide the money stole from her. But I wouldn't want you to starve to death. So I brought this for you. You have to take it, please. Please, you have to be fast. It's you need it.
What is going on there? I said,
good afternoon, sir.
What is going on here?
Mother tied her here since morning. I don't know her reason.
Your mother tied her like this?
Yes, sir.
For what reasons?
Sir, I don't know.
Untie her immediately.
No, mother will break my head.
I said untie her.
Sir, please, she will break my head, please. Mama said you should go and fetch water. She said you should fill the drum. Okay, I've heard you, but I'll do that later. I am so tired. I just finished washing that plenty heap of clothes at the backyard. Let me just rest a bit. I'll go and fetch the water. I'll go and fetch it, but it's not now. How is that my business? Mama said you should go and fetch water now. And she doesn't want to wait for you. Well, if you like, stay here, let her catch you. Can't understand it. What kind of problem is this one? Eh? What is all this?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Can I get some water to wash my hand, please?
Okay, I'll help you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Can I drop you off?
No, it's fine. My house is close by.
Anyway, my name is Namdi. I'm an architect. I came for a friend's traditional marriage down there.
I'm Ugomma.
You are Gomma?
Yes.
That's a nice name. I hope I will be seeing you around.
I don't know. Probably.
Thank you very much, okay?
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Ha! Hey, my man, no.
Nah, cool down. Go and go. Don't be you with this.
What big man?
Nah, fashion that.
Nah,
Nah, I'm back, Amiko. Nah, I thought I did, Jerry. I did. So, waiting the shop now.
Nah, I just come back from weekend house now.
Hi.
You know, this wedding on our plan.
Nah, I know one day for that guy show now. As I follow you talk now, responsibility. You go finish that guy.
All of us go there that shoe.
Nah, no, no.
Hey, bro, get the joint. The happening joint where did this our villa. I'm taking you to that place now, bro. Let's go and shut down.
Shut down.
Let's go and shut down.
If I ain't choosing now.
Okay, my door is locked.
Baba,
Don't
Baba,
do the match.
Guy.
Hey!
Okay,
what? Hey! Galu gaga do something about that. No, you just come out here now. That joint they very close, bro. Yeah, nenu.
Please, I didn't see any food in the kitchen. Do you know where Mama kept my food? Which food? Oh, you mean your food? Well, I ate it.
you ate it. How? I don't understand. So, what am I supposed to eat? You know how far where I went to fetch water from is. And now I just came back and you are saying you ate my food. How?
Hi. Biagoma. Why are you raising your voice at me? Eh? You are raising your voice at me in my father's house. All because of food. I don't know where this started, but I will not warn you again. So if they ask you now, you tell them that you are shouting at me because I ate your food. Common food. Cry now. Nah. My mother was the one that prepared this food. But if you know that you are hungry, why not go to your mother's grave? Uh-huh. Go and meet your mother in her grave. If you know that you are hungry.
Ugomma. Sister Ugomma. What are you doing here? And I was looking for you everywhere. You are crying.
No, I was not crying. I was just lost in thoughts.
I have told you several times. Stop crying for these people. Stop wasting your tears on them. Stop crying, Biko. Don't you know that the more you cry for them, the more they make you cry more? I want you to prove to them that you are the other of this family. Stop wasting your tears on Mama and even Amanda. Who is Amanda self? Amanda is a nobody. Maybe somebody is deceiving her towards you. Stop it.
I've heard you, Nkechi. It's fine. I've heard you.
I still can't believe that my family, honestly, because I'm not like them. I bought this thing for us to eat. Malisha, Ofora. You enjoy it.
Hey! Mama. Mama. In our
What is this?
This is where she spent the money she stole from you, Mama. Hey!
I don't understand. Is this not takeaway?
Mama, that is takeaway with expensive food.
Eh? Or her soup?
Hey! Mama.
Hey! Ugomma. And she lied that she did not steal my money. Where is she?
At the back.
Go and call her for me. Hey.
Now, Gashinike, walk fast.
Ugomma.
Yes,
What is this? Food. Food? Prepared in this house? Eh? Hey! Idiegu. Shut up! You don't have any explanation. You lied that you did not steal my money. You now buy food outside. I can see the bones of the stockfish. Obviously, this food is expensive. With my own money.
No, I did not steal your
Shut
money.
up! No Rikebo. Eh? You swag it.
Uncle, take one also.
Swag it.
Let me get another water.
Swag it. Eh? What will you? What's
afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
I just noticed from afar. I know it's none of my business, but at least I want to ask, why is it that you look so worried?
Sir, it's nothing. Don't worry about it. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. I'm fine. Thank you.
Just tell me if there is anything I can do. Let me do it for you, at least to repay you for the favor.
Sir, don't worry about it. I said I am fine. I'm okay.
Well, Ugoma, right?
Yes.
Let me drop you off.
No.
Forget about that. Let me drop.
Sir, please.
I said at least let it be something that I do for you. Okay? Enter.
Go.
Enter. At least I will use this opportunity to know your house.
Ugo, Emazonyambo, don't you know me again? Enter the car, let's go. Ah. Mama.
Ugochi, you're entering another man's car. Mama was hear this. Mama? Mama must hear this. Mama! Hey, okay, Mama. There is fire on the mountain.
Okay.
Mama, if you see what my eyes saw today, there is fire on the mountain, no? Mama, I saw Ugoma entering another man's car.
Ugoma?
Ugoma Nkani.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Mama, I am not joking. Mama, Ipa, this handsome man. If you see this handsome man with his ride, his car, Mama, I think Ugoma is into prostitution now. And I don't trust that girl again.
Ugoma. Omaka. So Ugoma wants to bring shame to this family.
Bam.
Hey! Ojada Atakwe. Cha. Odema. Better come back here and meet me. It's okay.
Thank you for the update. You're welcome, Mama. Mama, let me go inside. Mama, this guy is fine. Hey! Afoka, no kill me. Sika. Ugoma. Hey!
So, that is it. No.
Omaka.
Mama, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Ugoma.
She is the one you've been telling me about.
Yes.
You know what? Ebel, she has told me a lot about you. Omaka.
Ugoma, this is Mazi Agui. You've heard his name before.
Agui Yimbowa, number one.
He has made his intentions known to me, which is getting married to you, and I've accepted. Because it is a privilege to have a man like this, as an in-law in this compound, in this family, in fact.
Hey.
Bekana here, let him go. Come this way. Come here.
So don't be shy.
Let him.
Bianso.
My stocks are beautiful. Cab confirmed. Don't forget.
I like him.
Of course.
Let me tell you something about me. Ije no Shanja. Ichi Agui. Number one, Agui Yimbowa. You go to main market, Niger line, I'm on there. Agui Yimbowa. I'm a mama. When you marry me as a teacher, don't know, it's not this one you're wearing bathroom slippers and walking. No.
There is something that is very important. The price has increased.
Okubanego.
Economy.
Leave that matter.
No, but you have seen that my stocks are beautiful.
You said this one, and it is exactly the way you said it. Don't worry. By the time I marry you, a teacher I'm gonna a chapel. It is either by shop in Ochanja or in Nigerian market. Geneva or low for not. Is that no madam? Yes, I will take very good care of you. Don't worry. And if you give me a son or my 2 sons, Makachi go V-boot. Padded. I will give you V-boot padded.
Did you hear that?
Mercedes V-boot. In Egoli.
Hey!
Oh!
Chief Agui.
Number one. Number one. I will take very good care. You want so? Why am I? This one is Ofunti Ejima. No.
Sister Ugoma, stop doing this thing. Stop crying. I don't think Mama mean what she said. I mean, there is no how Mama will allow you marry that old man. That man is old enough to be our grandfather. Mama will not allow you marry him. He's just playing. Oh, Biko, stop crying. Please, stop doing this. Oh, Biko.
When your mother agree, our wife in the make. I heard the good news, and I'm very much happy for you. Congratulations. Easy.
Sister Amanda, stop this thing you are doing. It's not good. Stop it. You know what Mama is saying is bad. What Mama is doing is very wrong, and you are supporting her. Why not go and marry him? Why not settle? Why not go and marry him? It's not good though. Amanda, it's not good. Congratulations.
Ikochago. See, if you do not mind your business, I will descend on you. You will
do no such. Sister Amanda, you cannot. Mama is not doing what is right. Why are you supporting her? Yes,
I do not care. Period. As for you, you are getting what you deserve. You wretched orphan. You don't have choice, so better get ready. Because Maziagui and his people are coming to pay for your bride price in the next Eke market days. You have a traditional wedding to prepare.
Kill you there.
Including me. So better get ready.
Don't mind her. Don't even listen to what she's spilling out. She's out of her senses.
Ayo.
Oh, Biko.
Now let bank and deceive you. Allow her to be deceiving you. Don't go and get prepared. Including you.
Traditional marriage won't be about free walk out. Me man do ya buy ala na efu
Negodon. Just look at me now. Am I not ready to steal the show? Amanda. Mama, do fast now. So we really need to get there very, 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 very fast. We need to get good seats. Mama, I'm waiting. Come also. We need to steal this show. And it's already getting late now. Mama, I'm waiting for you. Also, let us take selfie.
This one you are all smiles.
Yes, sir. I have good news.
Hey, I knew it. What is it? Biko, tell me.
See, I just got admission into the university to study law.
Are you serious? Yes. Hey, congratulations, congratulations, congratulations.
Thank you, sister.
Hey, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Have you told Mama about it?
Not yet. I have not seen them. I have not seen them around.
I also have not seen them since I came back. Hey, congratulations.
So thank you. Wait. Is today not Ijoma's traditional marriage? I think they went there.
Chimo,
Yes.
Chimo.
It's today.
Wait. Did you say today is Ijoma's traditional marriage?
Mm-hmm. Did anything happen?
I forgot. Oh.
How? I don't understand.
I was invited to the wedding.
Wait.
Hey.
Sister, Ijoma invited you to her traditional marriage and you did not go. Why now? Why?
Name, I forgot. And even if I wanted to go to the wedding, I don't have any nice clothes to wear to the wedding. Am I supposed to wear this? You know, I don't have any good clothes now.
Sister, this is a very nice opportunity for you to meet different people. I won't allow you miss this opportunity. Let's go inside and look for something nice.
Mama, I told you that this girl stole your money. Mama, it's not just that she stole your money, she had the audacity to attend to the same occasion both of us attended.
Mama, that girl really wants me to commit murder. Mama, how do I explain this?
Mama,
so that dress, she bought that dress with my money.
Stolen money.
Mad.
She's even talking with Uche's friend. Not just she's a thief and also a prostitute.
She's a manipulator. I've seen it. That girl is a manipulator. But not to worry.
I said the way she was sharing her crocodile tears.
Not to worry. By the time I'm done dealing with her, next time she will cut her coat according to her size.
I trust you, Mama.
Next time she will fish in a kind of water that her mates are fishing.
If Papa goes here later, if you see her cattle.
This is threw me off balance. I didn't see it coming.
Okay.
Just don't worry. Come, let's go for now. Let's go.
Are you surprised? For you to have the audacity to attend to the same occasion I and my mother attended. Now this is the result. Ifulakwa, this is the clothes you wore to that occasion. You think you can go to where I and my mother went to, right? Come to think of it, you were even there, laughing. Now Muyeli Kisiewu with Uche and his friends. You come to outshine me. Okuyano, Ngwano, that is the cloth. You can go and pick it there. Nonsense. And for information, Mama said that you will not sleep in this house today. You are not going to sleep here today. Next time, prepare again. Akwiche, you were going to right? Nkuye Febego, Maya Kajichi, she will cut all of them for you.
Okay, Bia, Ugoma, what is the meaning of this madness? What is the meaning of this madness?
Mama, I'm not feeling well.
You're not feeling well. You went to the house. Come on, stand up also. Come on, support. Come on, this place also. Imagine the gods. You went to my rapper. Open up. Now, let's call it a situation or what? You're not feeling well and so? This is a way of you shying away from house chores. Obria?
No, Ma.
No, but what?
I have not had anything to eat since yesterday.
Oh, you're even thinking about food. You want to eat? Eh? Have you done your house chores? Have you done your house chores? Eh? You've not cleaned the house. You've not washed the clothes. And you're here. If I touch you, your brain will reset. Come on, go inside also. Come on, eh? Hey, how do you
go? Mamanda.
Chief, this one your face is like this morning. Hope all is well.
How can all be well? When you promised me something and you are yet to deliver, or go no Jesus.
Please, I told you to exercise patience with me. How about the list, Jim?
The list, will you go to Abuja to get it? Is it not about going to your kinsmen and they will give you the list? What is all the delay?
No problem. I'll see them today and I'll definitely collect the list. Oh?
Get the list today. Inyam list today. We will perform the traditional marriage tomorrow. Next tomorrow, Ojebe shop Ozubo. I have opened a branch in her name. Hey. Yes, I have even furnished a very big bedroom for her. You know I want a male child, and you promised me that. And I have looked at her. I have seen the shape of her waist. Eh? So that I don't want anything that will delay me.
Hey,
There's
no problem. I'll collect the list. Oh,
Biko,
Chief, trust me, I will. Oh?
I don't like a delay.
I'm sorry.
Biko.
Sorry. Oh, Biko, I'm sorry. Let me run out.
Is she inside so I can see her?
She's not inside. I sent her somewhere. Don't worry, she'll be yours very soon.
Hello? Who is here? Hello? Hello? Oh. Ugoma, how are you?
Fine, good afternoon, sir.
I've told you to stop calling me sir. Call me Nandi. Eh? By the way, you're not looking well. What is the problem?
I'm fine.
And you are burning up. Goma, what is all this now? Eh? You're burning up and you are still washing clothes. You have to go inside and take care of yourself. You know what? I'll be taking you to the hospital now.
No, you don't have to worry. I already taken some drugs, so I'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Well, if you insist. But you have to stop this clothes. Look for somebody else to do it for you. Go and rest.
No, I can't. I have to do it. If I don't do it, nobody else. Nobody will. Kechi is in school. Amanda, I don't know where she went to.
Well, in that case, I have to leave you, but take care of yourself. Life no get duplicate. That's it.
What brings you to my house?
Well, I came to inform you that I'll be traveling tomorrow. You understand? So I would like us to spend time today.
Oh. Okay.
That would be nice, right? Can I get you?
sent for us.
Yes.
Now we are here. Tell us why you sent for us.
You're welcome, my husband.
Thank you.
I invited you to tell you that something good is about to happen to this family. And there is no way you elders will not be informed.
And what is it, our wife?
It's about to go, ma.
Yes. What about her?
Okay. Someone is asking for her hand in marriage.
Oh! Oh, why are there? That's the good news. So, who is this our tutor? Is he from this village?
Yes. He's from this. He's from this village.
Oh, wait, because
he's someone you know. He's Maziagui.
Mazagi.
No.
Mazagi or his nephew.
Maziagui.
Is it the Mazagi that we all know in this village?
No. You think you know him, but he's a nice man. You know, sometimes when you've not encountered someone.
Wait, do you mean you want to hand our own daughter? You want Mazagi to marry our own daughter? Are you joking or something?
No, but that's exactly what I want to explain. There's nothing wrong with that.
Wait, do
he has made a whole lot of promise. No, wait. If you're not close.
Okay, you can never make my hand. One now,
listen. What did I do now? What is this good news now? This one is spiritual attack. They didn't even allow me to drop it. What is making this one laugh? I hope she's not laughing at me. By the way, she's always happy these days. And I have noticed she's always talking to someone on the phone. Who is this person? Well, I trust myself. I am going to find out. Ugoma, I must find out. Chaka chelon.
My dear, have you heard the latest gist in this village?
I beg, you too like gossip. You too like gossip when they pass you. Oh yeah, now gist me now. How they be gist me?
Yeah. Well, Maziagwe wants to marry Ugoma as his seventh wife. Can you imagine?
I don't understand. Like, which Ugoma are you talking about?
Kine Kona Koenos in this village. Hey, Mama. Which other Ugoma am I talking about except that one that is living with those two witches?
You mean Ugoma I know? For what reason? Why would she marry that kind of old man?
My dear, even me. I don't know. Wonders shall never end.
But Mazawu is old enough to be her father. Why?
Even me too. I was surprised until I heard one of his wife telling people at the market.
God forbid. Yeah. Hey! No, don't say it again.
Well, she don't have choice. Onwero choice, since her wicked stepmother is involved. She don't have any choice.
It's true. I pity the girl. Oh. I pity her.
Yes.
What will she do? What will she do?
Wait though. I'm going to my house before those two witches catches me.
You're supposed to don't go now. Don't go see finish.
Amanda. Yes, ma'am. My beautiful daughter.
No.
Hey!
Give me Ije.
Money Ije.
No.
Where is Ugoma?
I am not Nime. She'll be said.
Ugoma! Ugoma!
Yes, Mama.
Sakurubia. Yes, Mama.
You called me.
Yes, I called you. What are you doing?
I was washing the pots.
Since that time? Eh? Leave the pots. Go to your uncle's house. Tell him that you have accepted the proposal to marry Maziagoyi. Ngwa, also.
But Mama, I never said I was going to get married to Maziagoyi.
You never said what? Do you have a choice? Who are you to say something? Who are you to decide? I said, Mama, I never said that I've accepted to marry Maziagoyi. You know what? What from the Azu? Go and tell him what I said. The one already.
But Mama, there's no way I'm going to get married to that old man. Oh. I cannot get married to him.
Yes, again. You know what?
Mama,
There is no way you get married to that old man. So what are you? You think you're still a child? It's a like eh? Like what grandma? Come on, go and tell him what I said, Biko. And don't make me talk too much.
you better take this chance before it's too late for you.
So why don't you go and get married to him?
Ankita la chakwa anya. Na kwenka o. Look at this Mbweke. Wait oh. Is it because of that boy? Eh? You think he will marry you? Hmm? You think he likes you and he will marry you? Zuzuwe.
Which boy?
Mama.
Eh?
Do you remember that boy that came for Ijoma's traditional wedding?
Eh?
Hey! Mama, that boy have been calling this one. Morning, afternoon, night. Mama, every day. And Besa Panin can call her mom Kishiewu. She'll be smiling like Kishiewu.
Now I know better. Really? So that was what gave you this guts now? That is what is giving you morale to disobey my orders. Come on, go and tell him what I said also. He said you're supposed to go there. Go and tell him what I said. You know what?
You better do that before it's late for you.
Confidence with false hope. Amanda.
Ma?
Oh, really? So this is why she's proving stubborn.
Ma didn't get me.
No, it's okay now. Trust me. I have a plan.
I trust you, Mama.
Hey.
Ne, Mama.
Mechi.
Odogwu.
Mechi.
I trust you.
Mechi.
I'll kill you. Okay? Can you hear me? Shh.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Very fine.
Is Ugoma around?
You are looking for Ogoma?
Yes, is she around?
No. I haven't seen her for some days now.
Really? Did anything happen? Because I'm unable to reach her for some days now. Yeah?
I don't know.
Do you know where she might have gone to? What about her friends?
My stepsister doesn't keep friends. But
But what?
maybe she went to see her husband-to-be, Mazagui, as his seventh wife.
Just tell me you're joking.
So you haven't heard? She's getting married soon now, and everybody already know about it. It's not a new news.
She hasn't said anything about this to me before.
I don't know.
Well, in that case, I think I will be on my way.
So soon. Come on, have a seat now. I can offer you a drink.
Maybe next time.
I open water. Chilled for me. Eh?
Amanda. Amanda.
Yes, for goodness sake. Yes, Mama. Mama, you will not believe what happened here today.
What?
You will not believe who came here today. Mama! This same boy came here today.
Which boy?
The boy I told you about in the morning now. The one that have been deceiving this Mugu.
Kambekwa came to this house.
Wham! Mama, this guy came to this house. He said he's looking for Goma. That he said something about not reaching her online for the past 3 days now. Mama.
Really?
Mama. I think people will find out what we did.
Listen. That one should not be your problem.
Abi.
Okay, Nanu, it shouldn't bother you. What you should be more concerned about now, as it is how to make him fall in love with you. Instead of Ugoma.
Mama, you are right. Mama, we need to do something. It's you. That man needs to be my man now.
Amanda.
Ma?
You want him to be your man?
Yes.
Okwia? You have proclaimed it. You have confessed it. And you have professed it. Okwia?
Yes.
Good. Do you trust me?
I trust you, Mama.
Do you believe in me?
With my full chest.
Allow me now. Allow me to play my role. Okay. Ha! I thought something bad has happened.
Mama, is it not bad?
This one is very small.
But I trust you.
Now.
Mama, I'm proud of having you as my mother. I trust you.
It's okay.
Ugoma. Okay.
Hey, Nandi, did you say you've been unable to reach her for the past few days now? That's surprising. And her sister told you exactly what you told me.
The most annoying thing is that these people feel so reluctant to go and look for this girl. They are all acting as if it doesn't concern them. Unless it's Iguano.
Unless, Guinea. Unless what?
See, her sister told me that she's getting married to one old man as the 7th wife. Can you believe that?
I can't believe that, bro. I don't believe you. Ugoma is not like that. Ugoma is not like that.
And do you know the worst of it? She hasn't even said anything about it to me.
That's the main reason why we won't believe it. I guess it was Amanda that told you this, right?
Of course.
Something is fishy, Nandi. something is fishy. See, I believe only in kitchen. It's only in kitchen that can be able to tell me, give me in details what exactly that is going on. I'll try as much as I can to communicate with her.
I'm very, very confused here.
I'm confused.
I'm confused.
I'm confused too. How can we go marry getting married?
Ogo! Ogo! Get Ogo!
Hey! No.
Agui Mbowa. Ogo.
This is what you're shouting this one now. Get this back.
Why will I not shout? What is this that I am hearing? I don't like it.
What are you hearing?
What I am hearing is not good to my ear. I have been told that my wife has disappeared.
Disappeared quoi?
Oh, you know.
Chief Agui, why will you believe such nonsense? So you believe in this gossip that is going around?
It is, I have come to I'm Ugoma.
Chief Agui, you're too big to believe all these gossips.
Call her out, let me see her.
Ugoma did not disappear. She's not in the house, but she's not disappeared. I sent her somewhere. She will soon be back. And I said, why you bother?
She's not here. She's somewhere.
She will soon be back.
Today.
Bam.
Oga, see, I don't like what is happening. I will be very honest with you. I am a straightforward businessman. That is why I am called Aguyimbowa, importer, exporter, general merchandise. I don't play with my business. And once I decided to follow something, I follow it to the last.
Exactly. I know.
You see, Ugoma, I have already opened a branch in her name. In fact, I have stocked a warehouse, not a packing store, because it is traders that have packing store. Importer, exporter, general merchandise. We have a warehouse.
You said it.
I have kept a warehouse in her name. So I want her today. If she comes back today, let me tell you, I am no longer waiting for the list of your people. If they like, let them bring the list. If they like, they should not. What I am telling you is that once she comes back today, next week I am coming with my people. I will carry cash, cash. Let your people count the money. If they check the list, if my money is too much, they should give me change. You can keep the change. If it is not enough, I will give them extra.
Ha!
You gotta go.
Chief Agui, where?
Aguyimbo, number one. Importer, exporter, general merchandise. I don't know, change on a main market.
No problem. No problem.
Agreed.
Agreed. Chief Agui, you don't have any problem.
Let me know when she comes back.
I will. Agabuchonye.
Aguyimbo.
Agabuchonye.
Aguyimbo. Importer, exporter.
Odogu.
General merchandise.
Eziogo. Ngwano. Hey.
Mama, please come and help me. Mama, come and help me, please.
Have you seen where your stubbornness landed you? Have you seen it? If not for your stubbornness, you wouldn't have been going through this.
Please help me.
Now listen. For the last time, are you ready to accept Chief Agui's proposal? You're thinking about it. Rambo.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I will. I will accept his proposal. I will.
Swear.
I swear by my late mother's grave, I will accept his proposal. Just let me go, please.
If you stress me again, if you give me any headache, This is just the tip of an iceberg. Rambo.
Yes, ma'am. Do I head out?
Release her and let her go and quickly shower so that people will not see her like this.
Thank you.
I should release her.
Yes, untie her.
Thank you.
Come here.
Uche, I have to go to Goma's house and check for her. If she's not back yet, I'll go to the police station and make a report. I can't sit here and do nothing now.
Bro, I did your back. I did your back. Me too, I was unlucky with Nkichi. I tried calling her, but because she's writing her exams, she didn't give me much information.
What are we even waiting for? No,
I did your back.
Listen, if you like, tell anybody in this village that I held you hostage. If you try it, you'll see the worst side of me.
I won't tell anyone.
Better for you. And secondly, don't forget that you promised Chief Agui that you marry him. If I hear that you change your mind again, in Anu Academy.
Yes, Mama.
Hey, go.
Mama, good afternoon.
Mama, good afternoon.
I have to.
Hey. I came here to look for you when I couldn't reach you on phone. I was worried about you. I came to this place yesterday to look for you.
Thank you for worrying about me.
Please, who are you?
Oh, sorry, Mama. My name is Nnamdi. I'm Uche's friend.
He's my friend.
Kamekwa, so you're that Uche's friend that has been coming around to look for her?
Yes, Mama. Yes, yes.
Oh, you're welcome, oh. You're welcome.
Thank you.
That is so nice of you. I'm going to sit down. Let's bring cola for you.
Thank you.
Well, let's go and get them cola.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, okay. Let's get cola for them. See, rub it on your face and go and meet him. Over his forehead. I see. Side. Now listen. This is a time for you to shoot. Send well. Go and capture him. Don't you trust your daughter again? Go. Go ahead now. Go. Wish me luck. Good luck. Go. Go and make me proud. Okay.
Hi. Good afternoon.
Manda, que me?
Fine, thank you. Hi.
Nandi.
I think I like this girl.
Eh?
She's looking so beautiful.
I'm not sure you're okay. Nandi, are you okay?
I'm good. It's just that this lady is so beautiful. I think I like her.
Is it good?
I said I like her.
You like who? Eh? Nandi.
I want to marry you.
Nandi, I'm not.
Nkechi?
Yes, sister.
Hey,
Nkechi.
Nkechi, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Hey, sit down.
I miss you, sister.
How is school?
stressful.
Well, you look good though. You're not looking stressed.
School is not easy, sister. It's very stressful.
I'm happy you're back. Welcome. Oh,
Sister, I miss you.
I
So
miss
how are
you
you
too.
doing?
Nemo, I am fine. You know how it is in this house.
I can imagine. Anyways, that is not the reason why I'm back. Mother told me that you are getting married soon. And sister, how come you never told me that Nandi proposed to you? Our own Nandi. Anyways, I'm so happy for you. Finally. So happy. Congratulations. Smile now.
Nkechi, I honestly wish it was Nnamdi that proposed to me.
Wait. I can't hear you very well. What did you just say now?
Well, I'll be getting married to Agui.
Jesus Christ. Sister! Don't tell me that you're getting married to that old man. Who is old enough to be our grandfather? What is happening?
Nkechi, please. That is not important right now. Oh, please, let's just discuss something else because I don't want to talk about it. Go.
I know Mama is behind this. Mama is behind this. Mama and that wicked girl Amanda.
Nkechi.
But I will not let that happen. Nkechi. I will stop the both of them.
Nkechi, it's okay. It's okay. And please, remember, do not tell Mama or Amanda that I told you anything because I don't want their problem.
Jesus Christ.
You need to go inside and freshen up, okay?
Sister Amanda, how could you allow Mama to manipulate Ugomma to marry that old wicked man, that God-forsaken man?
Children of nowadays no respect. So this is how you're supposed to greet me.
Oh, you want me to greet you, right? You want me to shower you praises? When you and Mama are plotting evil against Ugomma in this house.
Again?
Yes.
Are you okay? And when are you okay? Jesus.
You slapped me.
And now we do it again if you don't mind how you speak to me.
How am I supposed to speak to you? Tell me.
You are still talking. Well, I don't have your time. Because soon I will leave this wretched house for you and that Ugomma. Yes.
And where do you think you are going to? Who will get married to you with your useless character? Amanda. Mama did not raise you well as long as Ofuma. With your useless character.
Wow.
Yes, wow.
So you haven't heard? Nnamdi has gone back to the city to bring his family to come and ask for my hand in marriage. Yes. Yes, sir.
What are you saying?
Of course.
Our own Nan. No, you must be joking. Wake up from your dream.
Let me tell you.
Tetanola.
If you don't believe me, you can go ask Mama or even that Ugomma.
Hey!
Ha. Nkechi. Hey. This Wally, when did you come back?
Just yesterday. I came back yesterday.
Okay. Welcome. How is school?
Thank you. School is not easy. But we are managing. School is tough.
Yeah.
Very tough. Anyways, that is not the reason why I came here. I heard that my sister Amanda is getting married to your friend. I thought he was actually dating our elder sister Ugomma. So, what happened? Like, tell me what happened.
So you had the news?
Of course. And I don't think everything is okay about it.
I thought so. I thought two of them were dating before. Until the last time we came to the house to check on Ugomma. What happened that day? I can't really explain what happened that day, Sha. So, we came to the house. The next minute, my friend was making normal advances at Ugoma. Speaking of Ugoma, the next minute, bam, he switched and started making advances at Amanda.
Are you serious about
Like, I'm still confused on what really happened that day.
Wait. He started making advances to Amanda instead of Ugoma, my sister.
Exactly.
Wait. Where was my mom when all these things was happening? Is my mom there?
When we came to the house that day, we met your mom and Ugoma. Your mom went inside to give us to Sawo's cola before Amanda came out. So your mom wasn't there when the twist happened. It was after Amanda came out, that was when the twist started.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Jesus Christ. Something is wrong somewhere, Uche.
Something is wrong.
My mind is telling me that something is wrong somewhere. This is not ordinary. Eh? Anyway, thank you. I have confirmed what I need to confirm from you. I have to take my leave now. Thank you.
Wait, Ogechi. When will I see you again? You know I've always loved you.
Is that necessary? See, Uche, I have a whole lot on my mind. Maybe some other time you talk about us. Oh, thank you.
No problem.
My daughter.
Good afternoon, sir.
Bịa nso bịa this how you greet the chiefs. Bịa bụrụ nke importer and exporter. You bend down and touch your back to show that you are loyal. Where is your mother?
She went out. Yes.
Okay. Call Ugoma for me.
She went out too. She's not around.
Ugoma went out. You know what? So you are the only person in this big house?
Yes, sir.
Odoma. When your mother comes back, because I have tried to call her on the phone, number yada, I don't know what kind of network she's using. So when she comes back, tell her that I came to know how far with the elders. That thing I gave her to give them, that thing they demanded, what is up, that I need all these things to hasten up.
Okay, I will.
Badokwanya.
Yes, sir.
You a fine girl, no na. Udinka ihe ikwekọsị na ihe ericha ego dị na warehouse.
Okay, Daddy.
Yeah.
Sister Ugoma. Oh, stop this now. Stop this. Stop crying. Crying will not solve anything here. Please. Oh, Fisher Panyagi. Stop this now. Stop this thing you are doing. Stop crying.
You know, you're not the one getting married to an old man as his 7th wife. 7th.
I know. I know I'm not the one. And I will never be the one. You as well will never be the one too. Please, my dear sister, please. Let's think of a plan here. Crying will not solve anything. Bikono. Oh.
Let's think of a plan.
Yes.
Which plan? How am I supposed to execute the plan? You and I know that I don't have any contact outside. Mama has forbidden me from leaving this compound. So how am I supposed to come up with a plan or even carry out any plan?
Nawa. Nawa for Mama. But, sister, you can tell Mama that you don't want to marry this man. This God-forsaken man. This man is old and sick. I mean, if you tell Mama that I'm not ready to marry this man, nobody will force you. Nobody.
And you think it's that easy? You think I can just walk up to Mama and tell her that I don't want to get married to Chiagui and she will accept?
Okay. See what will happen. I think I'm going to talk to Mazi Aguiyi on your behalf. I will tell him, sir, please, back off. My sister doesn't want to marry you.
Please, Nkechi, please. I am begging you in the name of God. Do not make my situation any worse. Biko, just let it be, Biko. I am begging you. Don't make things worse.
Sister, what could be more worse than you marrying an old man? That man is old and sick. That man is old. Old enough to be our grandfather. See, look at me, sister. You have a say here. You know that. You have a say here. Please, see what will happen. I need you to fight for what belongs to you. Fight for your rights. Go abadan is no nanwa. Stand for what is right. Tell Mama that I'm not going to marry this man. Don't give up, please.
Nkechi, I don't have any strength in me to fight, Mama. I don't know how to fight it, please.
How's the family?
No, we are fine. We are fine. Ichie, I came to see you to find out what the delay is. You know, I'm talking in terms of the traditional marriage that we are all preparing for. Kamal Kesi Akwadobe.
I don't understand. What traditional marriage?
The one to your niece Ugoma. Actually, Kamal, what the delay is. You know, my people and I, we are planning to come as quickly as possible. Let me know what's up.
Agree. Didn't Mama Amanda tell you that we refuse to give our daughter's hand in marriage to you?
Ichie, there must be a misunderstanding. This is the type of thing that happens when you order something in China and they give you toothpick instead. It's lost in translation. The thing is very simple. Mama Amanda told me that the list, that you people are still trying to compile the list properly, because I gave her 100,000. She said that you people wanted me to bring a show of commitment, and I even gave her 50,000 for the support of Ashebi. So why I have come to see you now as the direct uncle is let me know what the delay is. I don't like delay when I'm ordering something. I want to know if money is the issue. You people have not compiled the list. I will give you some money. When you people have finished calculating, if the money is enough, you can give me the change, or you keep the change if you like. But if it is not enough, importer, exporter, I give you extra money. You got a problem. So, what is it?
Agree.
Ogo.
Agree.
Ogom.
You have been duped in broad daylight. No matter the amount of money you think you have given to Mama Amanda, you better go back and take your money from her. We are not giving our daughter's hand in marriage to you. Period. You don't.
No kuna manyo.
Kedu nwanya? Mama Amanda. So this is you. Mama Amanda.
Why are you shouting in my compound? I'm going to get it. Eh?
But you are shouting at me like this.
Yes.
Don't
blame the bag.
Oh. You go go. So Mama Amanda, this is what you do. Like these small boys that are doing Yahoo. That's what you do.
Meaning what? Who is doing Yahoo?
So you've been lying to me that I will marry this girl.
Let me ask you, is it my fault? when you were busy tricking your eyes in what you know you cannot afford.
Chelo, Mwabagu Yimbo cannot afford. That I cannot. Chineke me. Why? So this is what you do. Okay. No problem. We did a straightforward business. It is either you deliver or you refund. Give me back the money I gave you, the 150,000.
Which money?
The 150,000.
I don't have 1 naira to give you. What are you trying to say? I don't understand. Willingly you gave. Willingly I collected from you.
Willingly I gave?
Yes.
As your husband or as your father?
I don't care. You like what you saw and you gave and I collected. Over.
I am a straightforward businessman. I export money, I import goods. Okay. I have exported the money to you. It is either you deliver or you refund. And you have not delivered, so you have to refund. It is either you refund me the 150,000 or I will do something you will not like.
You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything. Don't threaten me in my house.
Importer, exporter, general merchandise. You are telling me Madam, if I verse, you no go like me. Don't allow me to verse.
You cannot do anything. I'm not afraid of you.
Ewo.
Read my lips. I am not afraid of you. I
will tell you that as a importer, exporter, general merchandise, that I know custom, I know immigration, I know civil defense, I know vigilante, I know everybody. You will not like what I will do.
You cannot threaten me in my house. Get out of my compound. You know all these people. That is for your village chief. Leave my house.
Monwabagu, you should get out.
Get out!
I should get out. Hey. You got her like him.
You know immigration.
Yeah, I like him.
Get out of my house. See my poor.
I will go. You will hear from me.
Fine again.
You will hear from me.
You cannot do anything.
Don't worry. You will hear from me.
What can you do? What can you do?
You will hear from me.
You came here to threaten me. For what? Willingly you gave. Willingly I collected. You know what? I'll be threatening him.
As the Chinese people will say, me want we're going to handle my father.
Back to sender. Whatever you just said now. Back to sender. Now the one day no wagon cannot do anything. Nonsense. When you're blue battery, one time. You know, be threatening me in my own house. You change the blonde, and I will agree your neck. If I am man, I'm going to room bed. I'm going on. Be careful with me. Nonsense. Amanda,
Ma, this is so beautiful. Very much. See, Mama, whatever you select is okay by me. So far, I married Nnamdi. Any other thing is not important, to be honest with you.
Thank you for trusting in my judgment. You know I have eye for good things.
Of course.
You know who I am now. Hi, that was how I married your father. My daughter, even though he lived a very short life, but you needed to have seen me that day. But anyway, that's by the way, let me not switch your mood. So like I said, I would prefer this for the first outing. Because this is feminine color. But this second one will be for the second outing. You know, we have first and second outing.
But Mama, tell me, your marriage, right? How was it like? Your traditional marriage, how was it like?
That fateful day is a day I will never forget in a hurry. In fact, I will never forget in my entire life. That day, all eyes will be on you. just like it was on me then. And it's still the same tradition now. Nothing has changed. When I came out for that first outing, my in-laws, they were there, and you know, after a while, during the preparations and all that, I've not set my eyes on my husband. So that day he saw me. I was just so looking forward to seeing him. As I was coming out, everybody was like, "Hey, mama, hey, Achalugo, hi, Okulo Kalesia." You needed to have seen me. Ne lecha. Ngala Postele. Yes. And you just glow. Glow. Silence. With my drink, right? No. The first outing is to welcome them, welcome in-laws, welcome everybody. Wow. You know, just otakene. Yes, just welcome them. Then you go back. But you don't come out alone, no, you come out with your friends. Just to say welcome to them. You go back and change to that same one your husband will be wearing. That is when you will now finally go to sit with him as man and wife. With my then the elders. Amanda, the goku. But it's okay. It's a day every woman will be so looking forward to.
I can't wait. I cannot wait.
And me, I cannot wait to shake this ground.
Don't you trust your daughter?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Naga.
Mama, don't worry. When I marry him, yeah, we will take you to the city. You will live with us. A happy village for Ogoma and others.
I trust you, my daughter. I know what you can do. I know you will take care of me.
Nemo! Mama!
You're giving me a flashback.
After you. I love you so much, Mama.
I love you too. You know that funny enough, when they see me in this village, they will think I belong here. I don't belong here. I'm not cool. Our condition, Kanji.
Mama, very soon you will turn to a city. How? Keke was here. Mama, don't worry.
But you have not seen Ugoma. Bia, Ugoma! Yes, Mama. No, save this one because let's not lose it. Save that one. Is the food not ready?
It's almost ready.
Almost. I hate that word, almost. It's over how many hours?
Let me hurry up.
Hurry up, Osi, let me hurry up.
The food is not ready.
Are you too hungry?
Mama, this one is much important.
I know.
God, very much important. Happier.
I know, but have you saved this one?
Of course.
Amanda, what is it?
Uncle, please help my mother.
Why are you running as if my school is pushing you?
My mother. Uncle,
What happened to your mother?
Uncle, police came to our house and carried my mother to the station.
What happened?
Uncle, Masago, he said that my mother duped him. My mother duped him and refused to pay. And the money is 150,000.
What?
Yes.
150,000? The money is too much. Your mother is a very stubborn woman, and we want her.
I know. Oh, please forgive.
Amanda.
Sir?
Get up. Get up.
I should get up.
Get up.
Uncle,
Just get up.
now.
I am only doing this because of my late brother.
Thank you.
If not, I wouldn't have involved myself in anything that concerns your mother.
Oh, thank you.
Amanda.
Sir?
Get up. Amanda,
Sir?
I said get up. Let us go and see Mazagi. We are going there right now. Let us go.
Now?
Yes, now.
Okay.
Let us go.
Thank you, sir. God bless you. Hi. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
There's no problem. We'll take our leave. I go. Ndog ekene unu. Ekene unu. None. As it is, we don't have much time to waste. Iche, Wunyai.
Wunyai!
My wife.
Eh, my husband.
Wunyai, come.
Our wife, please bring out our daughter to come and see our visitors. Mom.
Stop talking about her, Mama. Please, cool down. Don't spoil anything for me. She's not about you.
As I'm walking, I'm walking. What is keeping her? She should come out. Let's do our experiment.
She looks so cute. Thank you very much.
Is where?
Oh, Mama.
Our daughter, our beauty.
Yes, sir.
I just want to ask you one sincere question. Do you know this young man seated here?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? So we can now go on with every arrangement and discussions.
Yes.
And enjoy our color. Oh, my God. So, my in-laws.
You're welcome.
Our daughter has told us that we should go ahead. Since it's like that, Ndogo.
Welcome.
So,
Welcome.
What is happening here?
Nandi,
what is it?
What's
the
happening
problem?
here?
Nandi, are you okay?
My love.
What is your heart? You are love.
I know.
I'm missing ribs now. Amanda.
What is going on here?
Ogo, Nandi.
My love.
Nandi.
What is the meaning of all this? Where is Ugoma?
Nandi, let's go. Okay, ask me of Ugoma now.
Jesus Christ.
Diana.
What is going on here?
Ogo. Jesus Christ.
Nandi.
Let me focus. Me now.
Okay.
What are we doing?
Diana.
Ogo,
My love. Where are you going now?
Ogo, where are you going to?
Sweetheart, where are you going?
Ogo.
Uncle.
Sweetheart, stop.
Don't leave me.
Me and you.
Uncle.
Wait first.
Uncle.
Sweetheart, me and you.
Uncle.
Happy. Mama. Me and you the same now. Me and you. Me and you the same.
Why are you standing now? Mama, what is it?
Me and you the same. You do me, I do you now. You and me. Mama, what is we love together? Namdi. You and me. You and me. My love. Me and you the same. Me and you the same. Me and you. Mama, till death do us part. Me and you. Mama, let's go inside, Mama. Let's go inside, Mama, please. Let's go to the Garden of Eden. Let us go to the Garden of Eden. Hey! The Garden of Eden. Uncle! Namdi! Mama, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Mama, let's go inside. Mama, let's go inside. What is going on? Yes, mommy. Mommy, Namdi. Mama, let's go inside. Mama, let's go inside. Mama, let's go inside. What is going on? Mama, let's go inside. Yes, whatever. Let's go inside, Mama. Uncle! Namdi! Mama, let's go inside. Let's go inside.
My son,
Ichie,
please, take good care of my daughter.
Ichie, she's now my responsibility. I'll take good care of her.
That is right.
It's a promise.
Yes, that is right. My daughter,
Yes, sir.
God will bless you and your husband.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Amen.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
so much.
Yeah. Hello.